You know what makes a business truly unshakable? Not the hype, not the shortcuts, not the loudest ad or the fastest win. It's value and vision. That's the foundation. That's the engine. That's what turns a business into a legacy. Yeah. Let me be real with you for a minute. Anyone can start something. Anyone can chase quick money. Anyone can flash success on social media before they've even earned it. But sustainability, surviving the storms, adapting to change, growing year after year, that takes heart discipline and a purpose that doesn't shake when the market does. When I built FUBU in my mother's house, I wasn't thinking, how do I get rich fast? I was thinking, how do I build something that my community needs, something they can see themselves in, something that will still matter tomorrow. That's value. When your business gives people more than a product, when it gives them pride, confidence, community, that's when you're doing it right. See, customers don't stay loyal because you're the only option. They stay because you're the best decision. They stay because you care. They stay because your value in their lives is bigger than your price tag. And value isn't a moment, it's a relationship. But value alone isn't enough. You need vision. You need to see the future before the world does. You need to invest in what the world will need next. Not just what it wants today. Vision is saying no to comfort, so you can say yes to growth. Vision is making decisions your current self can't afford because your future self can't live without them. Vision is the difference building a business and building an impact. Let's talk a financial discipline for a second, because you can have the best ideas in the world and still lose everything if you can't manage what's in your pocket. You need to spend with purpose. Save with strategy. Grow with intention. Money is not your destination. Money is your fuel. If you don't manage it right, your trip ends early. You want to build something that lasts. Protect your profits. Respect your numbers. Bet smart and bet on yourself. A lot of entrepreneurs want the spotlight. They want applause. They want everyone to see them win. But listen, the real work happens in the dark, in the planning, in the discipline. In the decisions nobody celebrates today, but everyone will admire tomorrow. You build sustainability when your business stands for something real. You build loyalty when you show up for your customers before you ask them to show up for you. You build the future when you don't just react, you prepare. Value is how you earn trust. Vision is how you keep it. Discipline is how you grow it. So ask yourself, are you building for the moment or for the movement? Are you chasing fast success or creating lasting significance? Because the world doesn't need another trend. It needs leaders. It needs builders. And it needs people like you who are willing to do the hard work that leaves a permanent mark. Your mission is bigger than a sale. Your purpose is bigger than a product. Your journey is bigger than today. Value makes you necessary. Vision makes you timeless. Keep your eyes forward. Keep your customers first. Keep your discipline strong. And build something so sustainable that the future depends on it. Value earns loyalty. Vision sustains success. That is the principle that separates businesses that thrive from those that barely survive. It sounds simple, but few truly understand what it means to deliver value in a way that earns long-term loyalty while simultaneously sustaining growth through vision. Loyalty is not a transaction, it is a relationship. Customers don't stick around because of flashy promotions, temporary discounts, or the hype of a trending product. They stick around because they trust you. They stay because they know you consistently provide value, solve problems, and treat them with respect. When you understand this, you start to build a business differently, one that doesn't just chase short-term wins, but creates a foundation that lasts for decades. Value is not just the product or service you provide, it is the experience, the reliability, and the promise that you make to your customers every day. It is the consistency that allows them to depend on you, and the authenticity that makes them believe you. People are loyal to businesses that make them feel understood, appreciated, and part of something bigger than themselves. They return not because they have to, but because they want to. And they choose your brand over and over again because the value you provide resonates at a deeper level, touching not just their needs, but their identity, their pride, and their trust. Sustainable loyalty comes from delivering this value consistently without compromise. Many businesses believe that a single great product or service is enough to keep customers coming back. That is a dangerous assumption. Loyalty is something you earn every day. Markets change, expectations evolve, and competition rises. What worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. This is where vision comes into play. Vision sustains success because it forces you to anticipate change, innovate before you're forced to, and continually raise the standard of the value you provide. Vision is about seeing the future while staying grounded in the present. It is the ability to anticipate what your customers will need before they know it themselves. Vision ensures that your business does not become stagnant, that it does not merely react to trends, but shapes them. The brands that survive for decades are not those that follow the market blindly. They are the ones that look ahead and prepare and prepare for what is coming. Vision allows you to adapt and grow without losing sight of your core values. Value and vision work together to create an unstoppable engine for growth. Value attracts and keeps customers today. Vision ensures they will continue to have a reason to choose you tomorrow. When these two forces are aligned, you create a business that is not just transactional but transformational. You are building relationships, earning trust, and creating an environment where loyalty is cultivated naturally because your customers believe in your purpose and direction. Financial discipline is another layer that cannot be overlooked. A business may provide immense value and have a visionary plan, but without financial discipline, growth cannot be sustained. Managing resources wisely, investing strategically, and planning for the long term ensures that the vision can be executed effectively. Every dollar, every minute, every decision should serve the purpose of delivering consistent value and advancing your long-term strategy. Financial discipline safeguards your ability to remain focused on vision and value even when challenges arise. And the leadership discipline also plays a crucial role. A strong, disciplined leader sets the tone for the organization. They model the behavior of consistency, accountability, and strategic thinking. They ensure that the team understands the mission, aligns with the vision and executes with excellence. Leadership discipline creates a culture where value is prioritized, loyalty is nurtured, and vision is shared across every level of the organization. Sustained success is never accidental. It requires a combination of value, vision, and discipline that work together seamlessly. Value earns the loyalty that keeps your business strong today. Vision ensures that your business will continue to matter tomorrow. And discipline provides the structure that allows both to thrive. Businesses that understand this principle do not just survive, they lead. They leave legacies. They create something that stands the test of time, inspires trust, and earns the loyalty of customers who believe in more than just a product. They believe in the purpose behind it. Every business decision, every customer interaction, and every long-term plan should reflect this dual focus on value and vision. When you align your actions with this principle, you build not only a business, but a relationship with your customers and a pathway to a sustainable future. Growth requires discipline, not distractions. That's the principle that separates businesses that endure from those that fade away. Too often, people confuse business with progress, believing that if they are moving quickly, they are growing. But activity alone does not create results. Growth is intentional. It is built through consistent, focused effort, guided by a clear strategy and executed with unwavering discipline. Every decision, every action, every resource allocation must be measured against long-term goals. Without discipline, even the most brilliant ideas fail because they are scattered, more than one deactive, rather than inconsistent and rather than deliberate. Distractions are everywhere. They come in the form of new opportunities, social media trends, urgent but unimportant tasks, and the opinions of others. They tempt you to chase what's flashy instead of what's essential. They whisper that you need to pivot constantly or that success must be immediate. The danger is that distractions dilute focus, drain energy, and prevent meaningful progress. Growth does not come from reacting to every noise around you. It comes from steadfast commitment to the path that aligns with your vision. And discipline is the ability to see clearly through the noise and stay committed to the work that matters most. Discipline is about structure. It is about creating habits and routine and that reinforce progress. It is the ability to show up every day even when motivation wanes and continue performing the tasks that build results over time. Discipline ensures that you are executing consistently, that you are investing effort where it counts, and that you are building momentum that compounds. In contrast, distractions create inconsistency, slow progress, and weaken the foundation needed for sustainable growth. Financial discipline is an essential component of this process. Growth without financial control is fragile. Businesses and individuals alike must manage resources wisely, investing strategically in areas that generate long-term value while avoiding waste. Every dollar, every hour, every resource should serve the broader objective of growth. Financial discipline ensures that your vision is not only possible, but sustainable. It protects you during difficult times and enables you to seize opportunities without risking stability. Discipline extends to your team and leadership as well. It is rarely achieved alone. Growth, it requires collaboration, aligned purpose, and shared accountability. A disciplined leader sets clear expectations, models consistency, and ensures that the team is focused executing the strategy effectively. When a team operates under discipline, distractions are minimized, priorities are understood, and results are consistently delivered. Leadership discipline creates a culture where growth is the outcome of collective effort, not individual improvisation. Learning and personal development are also part of disciplined growth. Industries change, customer needs evolve, and competitors innovate to remain relevant and sustain growth. You must continuously improve your skills, knowledge, and processes. Discipline in learning means showing up to refine your craft, study trends, and adapt before you are forced to. Growth is not accidental. It is the product of the purpose of preparation, practice, and foresight. Patience is another critical element. Growth is rarely immediate. Overnight success is often the result of years of disciplined work that goes unnoticed. Discipline allows you to remain consistent, to trust the process, and to persist even when progress seems slow. It transforms small, repeated efforts into monumental outcomes. Without patience, it is easy to be distracted by short-term wins or to abandon the path before the results manifest. To grow successfully, you must align every action with your vision. Every project, every task, and every decision should either move you closer to your goal or be eliminated. Focused discipline creates momentum that carries your business forward even when challenges arise. It ensures that you are building a foundation that will support long-term success, not just temporary gains. Growth requires discipline, not distractions. The difference between those who succeed and those who falter is not luck, timing, or talent alone. It is the consistent, disciplined execution of a clear vision, the elimination of distractions, and the relentless focus on what matters most. When you embrace discipline, protect your focus, and act intentionally, you create sustainable growth, strong foundations, and a legacy of achievement that endures